appreciate when I hold and touch the soft Reveal'Up glass in my hand is this feeling of perfect balance. The center of gravity is perfectly balanced, giving us a sensation of harmony between the ball and the stem, which is very pleasant and enhances the lightness of the glass. The intense Reveal'Up glass shows generous curves which are perfectly continued by the stem because the glass is seamless. These enticing curves also allow us to better see the depth and the brilliance of the wine. The soft Reveal'Up glass has a fine and long cheminée, which minimizes the perception of the alcohol, especially for young wines that are most of the time generous. Its large aromatic chamber opens on a wide surface, which allows flavors to better develop. The Reveal'Up glasses offer us a thin rim, with a perfect comfort in terms of touch on the lips. The cheminée allows a smooth mouthfeel and diminishes the perception of the acidity on the palate. The soft Reveal'Up glass has an universal shape, both adapted to whites and reds. This is perfect for serving wine by the glass and optimizes the storage space in restaurants. All the Reveal'Up glasses have a natural gauge, allowing a precise service. One can serve exactly the same quantity each time and pour the bottle within 6 glasses. What is really amazing is the innovation brought by the soft, fresh Reveal'Up glass. Its basis is filled with a cooling liquid, allowing the wine, especially rosé and white, to stay chilled during all the service.